brothers, fathers, distinguished guests, well-wishers, peace lovers, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon to you all. We the Claretians are truly delighted to have you here to participate in the book release of Father J. Sri Length and encourage the writer and to be the partner in our peace mission. I am sure many of you travel long distance serves to remind us all just how important this event is.
First of all, I want to say that I am very happy to be invited for this event, this special event, with a very distinguished audience, because all of you are those who have dedicated your lives for the service of others in different forms. And secondly, this event that we are having today is rare. It is too rare in our country. Too few and far between, because the issues that we are going to be discussing are difficult ones. We have a difficult challenge ahead, and we need encouragement. We need encouragement even to talk about what this book talks about.
Father X. Constantine, Bishop of Tulip, Shikera, Reverend Ebenezer Joseph.
I let out a scream that I have never forgotten, a terrible scream, so horrifying that for many years I remember that scream. He died. I guess I fainted. Witness of Yolanda Aguila Urizar in Guatemala Never Again. This is the book. Adam, where are you? Where are you, O man? What have you come to? In this place, this memorial of the Shoah, we hear God's question echo once more. Adam, where are you?
We keep changing, and my ministry now is known as Ministry of National Integration and Reconciliation in official languages. There is no coexistence. That was taken away from me and given to somebody else. But still I trust and believe in the terminology of national coexistence then over reconciliation. Because I have reasons. Because this country is multi-ethnic, multilinguistic, multi-religious country. When you have more than one language, when you have more than one ethnic group, more than one religion, you need to coexist. Unless and until you realize that sense of coexistence, there can't be peace in this country. We have been talking about reconciliation very much. Sometimes that terminology threatens the minority ethnic groups, minority religious groups, minority linguistic groups, because they consider it as kind of assimilation. We don't want assimilation. I want my language and my ethnic identity and my religious identity and my other identities to go away within the majority identity. It's not so. We need to preserve, safeguard, protect our identities, then come together. That is what I call national coexistence. Where my ministry was handed out to me in 2015, August, September, should say 17th or something like that. And I was put into the cabinet of ministers. My ministry was known as Ministry of National Dialogue.
දයසිරි ජයසේකර මහත්මයා සහ අපේ රවි කරුණානායක මහත්මයා